Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir.
After completion of our class, what will you do today? Can you explain?
I will go home and I will take rest 5 minutes.
Okay.
I will drink water and I will prepare tea.
Okay.
I will drink tea
Yes, ma'am. Next.
and clean.
I will clean.
Anytime I will. Okay,
Ma'am,
okay.
this is the
Okay,
simple future.
okay. అంటే ఎండ్ యాడ్ చేయకూడదా
Add చేయొచ్చు మీరు.
అందుకే
But I will.
ఎండ్ ఐ విల్ అన్న
Yes, ma'am.
ఓకే అండ్ ఐ విల్ క్లీన్ యూటెన్సిల్స్ ఇన్ మై కిచెన్
Okay.
ఆఫ్టర్ ఐ విల్ ఫోల్డ్ క్లోత్స్ అండ్ ఐ విల్ వాచ్ టీవీ సమ్ టైమ్
What will you watch, ma'am?
I will watch Mamagaru serial.
Oh, do you watch daily?
Yes, sir. I will watch daily. Watch it daily.
I watch.
I watch daily.
Okay. And when does it telecast, ma'am?
Have Wi-Fi. We have Wi-Fi connection, sir.
Okay.
At
You can
any
watch-
time.
Yeah, you can watch anytime.
Anytime.
Okay, nice.
I will watch anytime.
Okay, ma'am. After watching TV, what will you do?
After watching, I will prepare dinner.
Oh, what will you prepare?
I will prepare oats dosa.
Oh,
Explain.
yes, ma'am. Can you explain what's dosa?
I will take oats soaked curd
Okay.
and I will added 1 spoon suji rava.
Okay.
Oats will soaked after 1 hour.
Okay.
I will
Blend them.
blend them.
Okay.
And I will add moringa leaves, green chilli, ginger, carrot, onion, and 1 egg.
Oh,
So all mix
okay.
them and I will
Make
make dosa
dosa on pan.
on pan.
Okay, ma'am. After having your supper, dinner, what will you do?
I will complete my dinner. I will cleaning kitchen.
Oh.
I will clean kitchen and I will clean water bottles and fill them.
Oh.
And I will fresh up and I will go to bed.
Oh, nice. We spoke very well. Simple future.
Thank you, sir.